A Georgia woman will spend the next several years behind bars, watching her daughter grow up from afar after she shot and killed the girl's father.
Okay.
And I'm pregnant.
All right, let's walk over here.
I didn't mean to shoot him.
All right, walk over here.
Shoot him.
I know, sweetie.
Oh my God!
We dug through documents, evidence photos, body camera footage to get a closer look at how Athens-Clarke County police investigated this case and the consequences that Heather Nicole McCall faced. Welcome to Sidebar, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. When police arrived at a mobile home on Nowhere Road in Athens, Georgia, early in the morning on June 12, 2024, they found a chaotic and very upsetting scene. 31-year-old Jeremy Tyrone Howard had a bullet wound in his abdomen. He yelled to officers that he was having trouble breathing, thrashed on the ground as first responders tried to stabilize him. His on-again, off-again girlfriend, 26-year-old Heather Nicole McCall, was anxious and afraid, demanding to know if Jeremy was going to live. And as an officer pulled her away from where his colleagues and eventually an ambulance crew were trying to save him, McCall started to reveal what had happened. Take a look.
Is he gonna be alive?
Okay, we'll take a look at it in a second. Where's the firearm? No, stay right there.
I wanna get it.
No, don't get anything. All right, step over there.
Okay.
Step over there with that. Step over there.
He's in the kitchen.
Okay, step over there. Step away from her. Step away from him.
Sorry.
Go step over there.
I'm sorry.
You're good, man.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Help me.
Hang on.
Help me.
Hold pressure on that.
I'm sorry.
Put pressure on that, man.
I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Jeremy, I'm right here. I'm right here, Jeremy.
I'm trying to breathe.
Hold that.
I'm trying to help you, bro.
Put your knee on him. On that arm right there. Hold him down.
Chill.
I love you, Jeremy. I'm right here, Jeremy.
I can't get this.
Chill, bro, man. Chill, bro.
Jeremy, look, I'm right here, Jeremy.
Look, we got an ambulance en route,
I
okay?
love you. Jeremy.
Where's the firearm at?
Jeremy.
Is it through and through? Yep, it's through and through. Hold on.
Jeremy.
Move, boy. Help me.
Jeremy.
Where's that other one at?
Jeremy, I'm right here. I'm right here,
I can't
Jeremy.
breathe.
He can't breathe.
Yeah, all right, we're working. Hey, get her back. Just get her back for
He
me.
needs me
Go on,
back.
drag her away.
He wants
She's
me
pregnant.
back
Just be
here.
careful with her.
I'm pregnant.
Stand up. Step back.
Jeremy.
okay?
Jeremy. Jeremy.
All right.
He's all right.
Jeremy. That's the father of my child.
Okay.
And I'm pregnant.
All right, let's walk over here.
I didn't mean to shoot him.
All right,
I didn't
walk
mean
over
to
here.
shoot him. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to shoot him.
Sit on the porch
I
right
did
here.
not mean to shoot him.
Okay. What happened here?
Okay.
Hang on a second.
Is he okay?
Hang on.
Is he gonna be okay?
Hang on. Let me read this to you real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to speak to me now?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
Okay, so the other day, yesterday or the day before yesterday. Okay, we got in an argument. Okay, yesterday. He put his hands on me. He said he hated me. He said that he cheated on me. Okay. So I said, okay, well, I never want to see you again. I dropped him off. Okay, he stays at Smoky Road, which is like right up there. Okay, and then he called me this morning, just telling me to come pick him up and everything. I said no. I said don't talk to me again, and I blocked him. Okay, that white guy over there, he's just my friend. He just came to fix something over here. He's a maintenance man. He came. My trash can is electric trash can. It takes batteries or whatever, and I didn't know how to do it. So he just stopped by. He was in the neighborhood. He stopped by to fix the batteries in the trash can. And the person that lives here, he is about to get off work at like 8 o'clock. His name's Blake.
Okay.
That's my roommate. Okay. So Someone knocked at the door. My friend over there, he just opened it, didn't look who it was, and then he walks in, charges at me, and there's guns all in the house for protection, and I was just pointing it at him. I did not know that it was loaded, did not know that it was in the chamber, did not know none of that. I did not mean to pull the trigger or nothing like that.
Okay.
I was pointing it at him, telling him to get out.
All right. Yeah, all right.
Is he gonna stay alive? Is he gonna be alive?
He's gonna be fine.
That's my baby's
okay,
son.
we got
my baby's dad.
Fire's pulling
my
up now.
My baby's not even born yet.
He's okay. We got ambulance en route. Fire's here. They're gonna take good care of him. Okay. I need you to keep talking to me. So he walks in the house. You knew who it was at this point.
Yes, that's my baby's father.
Okay.
I still love him.
Where was the gun at when you grabbed it?
It was in the bedroom.
Okay. What kind of gun was it?
A 45.
Okay, 45.
I don't know that much about guns.
Okay. Whose gun is it?
It is dude who lives here.
Okay. You've been staying here for how long?
Since like the end of March.
Okay. Where did you grab the gun at?
It was just in the bedroom on his dresser.
On his dresser. Okay.
Is he gonna be alive?
Yes, he's fine. He's fine. You grabbed the gun. Was it a handgun? Was it a rifle?
It's a pistol, yes.
Okay. All right. How many times did you fire it?
Once, on accident. Okay. I didn't even mean to do that. I didn't know that it was loaded.
Okay. You had your finger on the trigger?
I didn't know that I did.
Okay.
I was just holding it, like trying to scare him.
Okay. When officers came over here, where did the gun end up? Where's it at?
It's where I left it.
Where's it at?
It's like in the kitchen on the floor, or I don't know. I dropped it as soon as it went off. Like I ran over there to Jeremy, and then I tried to help him. I thought he was dying. Like that's my baby. That's the father of. I'm pregnant. That's the father of my child. Like I did not mean to shoot him.
So according to McCall, she and Jeremy had been dealing with domestic violence in their relationship practically since they started seeing each other several months before. They weren't living together. Instead, she was staying in the trailer with a friend, and that friend, Blake, allegedly didn't want Jeremy there. This is due in part to alleged drug issues. So Blake was still at work, this is according to McCall, when Jeremy showed up that morning unannounced. But it wasn't just McCall offering up an explanation. No, you had this second male friend who had apparently come by to see her, was there when things went down, and in an interview on scene with an officer, he explained that he had just come over when Jeremy came through the door.
Where's she at?
She's up there already in handcuffs, getting a statement by the police.
Oh, this is her phone?
She called the 911, and I literally just gotten here.
Did you know her?
I just met her maybe about a week and a half ago.
Are you staying up here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh,
no,
okay.
sir. No, sir. I came over to visit. I just did dropped a friend off in Atlanta.
Were you here when this happened?
Yes, I was here for like 3 minutes, and it happened.
Oh, okay.
So I came in. We were hanging out. Met her dog. He came in. Went to go. He's like, I need an ID or a card or something. And I guess that's the baby daddy. Something happened with something cheating, something like that. So I was like, I'm gonna give you guys a minute to talk. This is your personal conversation. Walked out the door, came to my car to grab something for maintenance. I think it was a drill or something. I was gonna change batteries because it has a trash can lid. Yeah. And then I hear a pop, but it didn't sound like a gun.
Right.
To me, it did not because it was inside. And then all I hear is and he's walking out the thing, coming down the steps, and you see the bullet shot. And it was an accident. She was like, it's an accident because she was trying to, I guess, leave me the alone, alone, because he has beaten her before, is what she says.
Okay.
It's what she says. I've never seen it. Don't know.
Gotcha.
And then she comes out.
You mind if I put you down as a witness?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was literally here for 3 minutes. Right up here, sir, on this side.
Now, as the medics prepare to load Jeremy into an ambulance, McCall realizes that her dog likely escaped from the trailer as all of this was going on.
Is anybody else in here?
No.
There's nobody in there.
My dog.
Where's the dog at?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
They're not worried about the dog.
I'm worried about my dog.
Vicious dog. Like, we don't worry about the dog, but
she's sweet. She's not vicious, but she can't get out. She'll run away, and that's my service dog. Like my animal, she don't have her paperwork or nothing, but like I have panic attacks and everything, and that's like she helps me. Like I have to have my dog.
Okay.
And McCall is also worried about the officer seeing her nude photos when he asks for access to her phone.
Does this have a password on it?
Yes.
Do you mind if I have your password?
Why?
Well, we're gonna go through the whole phone anyway. It's just gonna make it easier if we have a password. We don't have to wipe everything. We're gonna have to go through the phone anyway. I'm just trying to get a password so to make it a little easier on us.
I have OnlyFans.
That's fine.
And I have like news on there and stuff.
Yeah, we're not looking for anything like that. It's just it's just to find evidence.
There's nothing on there about a gun. Nothing
Yeah,
like
we still
that.
have to go through it.
Okay.
McCall decides, you know what? She'd like to talk to an attorney before turning over her phone's passcode. And for the moment, the officers decide it's okay. Let's move McCall's handcuffs to the front. But she also has another request. Take a look.
He's still here. Oh, he's still there.
I'm gonna get you to stand up, Miss McCall.
Okay. Did you talk to the witness?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're getting his information and stuff.
Did our story?
Just step down here. We're gonna swap handcuffs.
Can I get some shoes?
Yeah, just step right there. We'll
Where
take
they
care of
at?
all that.
They in your room?
They should be. Yeah, there's slides in my room,
Okay.
which is on the other end of the house.
How far along are you?
4 months.
Okay. We're gonna get handcuffs moved up to the front.
Yeah, because they're hurting really bad.
We're gonna switch them out. Okay, just
And
as long as you're
don't
calm,
let-
cool, and collected, we got you.
Yes, because I did not mean to do this.
Just keep your hands right up front, okay?
Fancy cuffs.
Or can we switch them out?
Oh
If you
yeah,
don't mind.
yeah.
Just keep your hands right here for me. Just put them together like you're saying a prayer. Wonderful. Oh, sorry. That'd be a little bit better for you up here.
Thank you.
Just a little bit more comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
That's all right. No worries.
Is there
We're in a car. Or...
any possible way that, I know this is probably like a crazy request, but is there any possible way that I could hit my vape or something, because I'm like kind of preventing inside right
Yeah,
now?
we can't allow that. We don't know what's in there. So.
Or a cigarette. I know I'm pregnant, but like
Yeah, it's
my
a stressful
nerves are
situation.
tore
I
up
know.
right now. Like
Yeah.
I can't. Like I hate myself right now for this. Like I'm so worried. Like, is he gonna die?
I don't think he's gonna die.
You don't think he's gonna die?
No.
Do you like, what percentage do you not think he's gonna die?
I can't evaluate that, but I mean,
Like, guess.
I don't have any guess. I think he'll pull through.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta be positive about
Are you
these
just
kind of
telling
things.
me that?
McCall arrives at the police station, and this is when she continues to ask about Jeremy's condition.
Thing. We can't just get somebody's medical information.
Do you think he's gonna be okay?
I hope so. I don't know.
Have you ever like dealt with anything like this before?
Like a shooting?
Yeah, like that kind of like.
Yeah, I mean, there's
Like that officer was saying that he dealt with something like that before.
Yeah.
The dude got shot in the back
yeah.
and he died.
I gotcha. I have no idea. It all just kind of depends. If you just want to sit in that gray chair.
Can I pee and have something to drink?
Yes, hold on just a second. I will come back and get you to go to the bathroom in just a second, and we'll find some water for you. You just want to sit in that gray chair over there.
Then it became the interview, right? So two detectives, they grill McCall about what happened here, having her go over every piece of this story again and again and again. And according to McCall, she and Jeremy's most recent fight was over him allegedly cheating on her. And she claimed she glimpsed messages with another girl on Jeremy's phone, but he refused to tell her anything about who he was talking to and why. She claims that when Jeremy showed up on June 12th, he wanted some of his belongings that he'd left at the trailer, including his social security card.
So I was looking for his social security card, and then I was like, "You tell me your name, I'll give it to you." He was like, "There is no name. I was just lying.
Yeah.
And then I was like, get out, not confused, get out. And then he wouldn't get out, and then so I started yelling, and he still wouldn't get out. And then I was afraid that he was gonna like hit me again. So I remembered that Blake said, here's all these guns. He was like, you can go to your room if you want to, which I didn't want to because I'm not familiar with guns like that. I've only shot a gun like once or twice, and it was at like a Target. and I thought the gun was unloaded. I did not know the gun was loaded.
Okay.
And I did not know that my finger was like where the trigger was.
Yeah.
So I was just trying to scare him. And so I went and got the gun out of Blake's room, and I was like not pointing it at him. I was pointing it like at the floor. Like I was like, get out, get out. And he still didn't get out. And then I just started yelling, and I guess like, you know, when you're mad and you're yelling, like your body might tense up or something.
Yeah.
And my hand like squeezed it on accident. Like I did not mean to do that at all.
Okay.
Like I've been in here like praying that he like if he dies, like I'm never gonna forgive myself.
Okay. Yeah, well, we'll check on his condition in a little bit.
Do you think he's gonna be okay?
They got, I don't really know how.
They said it went all the way through.
Okay, sometimes that's good news, you never know. They got good doctors at the hospital, so I'm sure they're gonna do the absolute best they can.
So as soon as I realized what happened, like my ears was ringing and everything, and he was like, "You shot me." So I think I just put the gun on the ground, or I put it on the counter. I can't remember.
Okay.
And then I ran over to him, and I was like hugging him and saying like, I'm sorry. And then so then Jeremy said, call 911, call 911. So I was looking for my phone, and I called 911, and then I don't remember how Jeremy got outside. I guess Jeremy told him to go out there because the ambulance would be coming.
Okay. Yeah.
I think we heard the ambulance, so he went out there, and he was laying on the ground, and I was like, I remember seeing in movies like apply pressure. So I was like taking his shirt and applying pressure, like holding his head, and I was like, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. And at first he was like I thought he was dying. He was like his eyes were like closed. He was like making that noise.
Yeah.
And then I was like, look, Jeremy, please look at me, please look at me, please look at me. I was like, I love telling him I love him and everything. And then Jeremy brought me like a dish towel. And I was like, do I apply pressure? And he was like, yeah. So I was applying pressure, and I was like holding his head. I was like, I'm sorry, I love you, I love you. And I was kissing him. And he was like, he did. Then he finally opened his eyes. He was like, I love you too. And I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And he was like, okay. And I was like, do you forgive me? He was like, yeah. And I was like, please don't die. And then that's when the ambulance came, and they had handcuffs. Okay. It started out not a bad argument, and it never was intended to be like this.
Yeah.
I'm pray, I was in here praying, and I don't even pray, that he lives, because if he dies, then my kid's not going to have a day.
Yeah. Well, like I said, they got good doctors, so we'll check on that in just a bit. They got to do all their stuff up there. Make sure that everything's all x-rays and whatnot.
He started yelling, and I started yelling, and that, I guess, when you're yelling, your fist fall up or something.
Yeah.
That's because I didn't even realize that I had shot him, and once I realized it, I was like, oh my.
You just kind of heard the noise all of a sudden.
My ears was ringing.
Okay.
And then he was like, you shot me, and then I was like, oh God.
Okay, so yeah, you heard that there. Jeremy is still alive, but unfortunately, he did end up succumbing to his injuries once he got to the hospital, although his exact time of death is unclear. Now back to McCall. The detectives, they leave her on her own for a while, and when they come back, they wanted to drill down on exactly what she was thinking when she grabbed Blake's gun. This is very, very important for the analysis.
So your purpose for getting the firearm, was it because he was there, or was it because you were afraid that he was going to hurt you, or was it because you wanted him out of the house before Blake got there?
The Blake part, that's the least important part.
Okay.
I got the gun because I just wanted him to leave.
You wanted him to leave?
I wanted him to leave. I just was trying to scare him to get him to leave because I know he's stubborn and he don't leave. He
Okay.
he makes like situations like worse. Like I was afraid that he was gonna put his hands on me.
Okay. Did he make any threats to put his hands on you or anything like that?
No,
No. Okay.
he never does. Like verbally.
Okay.
It was solely to just scare him, to get him, and he knows that I would never shoot him, and I would never shoot him. Like it was an accident. Like I hate myself. Like.
You know, because obviously a shooting happened, so we want to just maybe kind of figure out the reason that it all ultimately occurred. So do you think in your mind that this was an accident,
Yes.
or do you think it was self-defense?
It was an accident.
Okay.
It was supposed to be like kind of like scaring self-defense.
Yeah,
Because I thought it was unloaded, and then it was 100% an accident.
right.
Because as soon as it happened, like I ran over to him and I was like trying to help him.
Right.
I thought he was good.
Well, I'll tell you what, let me go check, make a few calls, see if we can get a condition on him.
Please.
And then we'll check back. I'm gonna talk to Jeremy real quick, and, you know, it's, obviously they need to do all their work and all that, and make sure they get whatever because I know that with, you know, when somebody gets shot, they always do x-rays and they do all kinds of stuff, so a lot of times you don't hear exactly what's going on for a
I
little
just
bit.
want to know if he's alive.
Yeah, I'll check on all that and I'll let you know.
After hours of questioning, the detectives tell McCall that Jeremy didn't survive.
Is he okay?
Unfortunately, he did not survive.
What?
So.
Yeah, the doctors did everything they could.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No!
The doctors did everything they could.
Oh no! Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Yeah, we haven't heard exactly what the doctor said.
I'm sorry.
Well, and I think it's, you know, we don't believe that you did this,
I'm sorry.
you know,
I'm sorry.
on purpose or anything.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want right now. Oh my
Well,
god.
don't do that.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Why don't we give you a second just to be here by yourself? Is that okay? Would that be all right with you?
If you need us, you can knock on the door.
Because it sounds like it's kind of a lot for you to process.
Oh my god. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
Do you want us to give you a little bit of space? That way you can process?
I need my dog.
Yeah, I don't know if they've located the dog yet, or I don't know what the story on that is.
I need her.
Tell you what, I'll ask the officers over there if they've found your dog at least, okay? Anything we can answer for you, or?
You have any questions for us?
Am I gonna go to jail for murder?
No.
No.
Obviously, when somebody does get in a situation like this, we do have to look at what laws were broken. But we're not going to be charging you with murder or anything. What we're looking at is probably.
God, I can't believe he died. Oh my God, I see his body.
I believe he's at the hospital right now, so we can't really facilitate that.
I just want to go home. Oh my God. No.
Now, it's at this point the investigators give McCall some space, right, to process what just happened, what she was told. When they come back, McCall's on the floor.
Hey, Heather.
We're gonna go ahead and transport you, okay?
To where?
We're gonna go to the jail, all right? I need you to stand up for me, okay?
Can I see him?
Just stand up for me, okay?
We can't do that.
He's at the hospital, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's passed away, yeah. Go ahead and stand up for me, Heather. Come on. Stand up for me.
Can we help you get your shoes? There we go for you. Come on.
You stand up for me?
Can you take my hand? Stand up for me, okay? Stand up. You can do it.
This is real. Oh my God.
Put your shoes on, We're gonna handcuff you again, okay? But it's just gonna go in the front again, okay? A hug?
Oh my God. Oh God.
Unfortunately, I'm sorry. You're okay. Keep standing.
Don't we let her just have a seat for a minute because we're still kind of talking about some things?
Sounds good.
Oh my God.
Heather, can I get you water or something?
There's one under the chair right there.
Okay. I think it's rolled to the back, so.
Are you all the way on the chair?
Yeah.
Don't want you to fall off.
Some water.
Yeah, we're just debating a couple things real quick.
Yeah.
Still.
When did he die?
I'm not sure. We don't know that. We don't have a time or anything.
So what happens? Well, the officers, they recommend charges of involuntary manslaughter and reckless conduct, which a grand jury did later agree with. They returned a true bill of indictment. So officers transported McCall to the nearby jail. But the thing is, because of her pregnancy and the shock that she's just endured, the jail staff, they want her checked out at the hospital before they admit her. So McCall spent a few hours at the hospital before actually being sent back to lockup. And according to reporting from the Athens Banner-Herald, McCall spent around 3 months in jail before bailing out and going to live with her grandparents outside of Clarke County. And in September of 2024, McCall posted photos from her baby shower, continued to update her Facebook page with photos of her daughter once she was born. But in December of 2025, that's when McCall agreed to plead guilty to the felony involuntary manslaughter and misdemeanor reckless conduct charges. And prior to her sentencing, right, prior to when she'll learn her fate, family members sent letters to the judge actually in support of McCall. A woman who described herself as McCall's great-grandmother referred to the new mom as a, quote, very sweet person and a troubled child. The handwritten letter continued, she never meant to hurt anyone. She's not that kind of person. I love her and pray that they have mercy on her and give her a chance to raise that baby. So I'm asking, can the court give her a chance? I know it is asking a lot, but I believe in the Lord to work out something, and let her come home and raise her baby. McCall's grandmother, whom she'd been living with, also wrote to the court, quote, Heather was not brought up to wrong. We raised her up with Christian morals. She made a mistake and got with the wrong man that she thought loved her, but he was mental and abusive to her, physically and mentally during the relationship. We pray the court will find favor with her. Well, a judge in the end sentenced McCall to 10 years. So the first 4 will be served in prison, in confinement, and the remaining 6 on probation. Just a really, really sad story. That's all we have for you right now here on Sidebar. Everybody, thank you so much for joining us. And as always, please subscribe on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, wherever you should get your podcasts. We're also up on NBC's Peacock as well. If you want to follow me, X, Instagram, my News Nation show, Jesse Weber Live, Monday through Friday, 11 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you next time, everybody.